Hi folks, today we are here at Unbox again and we are going to unbox the new Samsung Galaxy S20 FE 5G edition. Wow, check out the box. So if you see, right, fan edition. So you can see a little bit more of the cutesy icons here on the box. And I remember the Samsung Galaxy S20 series and the Note series, they are all in black box. And this is the first one, I think, that actually uses a white box, I believe. I think it's trying to reach out to a younger target audience. Let's open it up. So as always, there's always this hidden box behind here. And this is where you'll get maybe additional accessories as well. And yep, the pins are here. And nope, this time around there's only a quick guide. There is no free silicone case with this edition of the phone. Well, probably because it's actually cheaper as well. This one is actually a more affordable edition of the S series. The price actually starts from 1098 Singapore dollars for the 128GB edition and 1168 for the 256 edition. That's actually pretty competitive for an S series phone, because the initial launch price for the S20 is actually starting from 1298, and that is the 128GB version. So now you pay less, actually you can get the 256 edition for the FE edition and with 5G. Pretty cool. Okay, let's open it up and see what do I have here. Ta-da! Let's do the unwrap. Ooh. And one more here. Okay, pretty solid. And here we have the cloudy blue or the cloudy navy. It's a pretty nice color as well. This is actually a matte finish, so it's not really a fingerprint magnet. Nice, nice, nice. And let's look at the camera. Okay, so they actually have 3 cameras here, and I believe that they are all 12 megapixel. So you don't get the high resolution shot from your S20 series, which is from 64 megapixel to 108 megapixel on the Ultra series. So this one is just plain 12 megapixel. Okay, that's a downside for paying less. But one good thing is this one actually comes with not the Exynos chipset, but which is the Qualcomm 865 chipset. So let's turn it on. Dirty. Okay, let's leave it aside and let's look what else are in here. Okay, nothing here. So there's a charger. Okay, this is a 15-watt charger or a 10-watt charger. So anyway, it's about 10 or 15 because it says 2 voltage here, but it's definitely no more than 15. And surprising, there is no earbuds for the FE edition. So you have to get your own earbuds. And then finally, USB-C cable. Yep, simple as that, USB-C cable. So now, with the phone loaded, here you will be able to see clearly how the bezel actually looks. It's relatively thick, but it's not obscenely thick. It's still beautiful. I actually quite like the look of it as well. And the edge of it, yeah, it's not smooth curved edge, so you'll be able to feel a little bit of a bump here, but it's not the deal breaker. Not bad, not bad. I like that. So here we have the speaker, and then this is the USB-C charging port, and I believe this is a mic. And dun dun, this one. Okay, here we have the SIM card tray. No buttons on the left side of the phone. Only the right side has it. The power button and the volume button. And the camera is a little bit protruded. Not bad, not bad. It's still a very, very sleek phone, although it says that it's the fan edition. Although this one is like the cheaper edition of the S20, but the whole design elements of it, it's still there. Beautiful. Except for the lower grade of the camera. I actually quite like the colors that they offer. This one, the cloud navy, is actually quite nice. There's also I think the Cloud Lavender. It's beautiful. I like this series of colors. And here you will see the hole punch camera. So it's still quite well hidden. It's just a small hole. Nice. And the front selfie camera is actually a 32 megapixel selfie camera. Let me take a test shot here. Ooh, pretty good selfie camera actually. Nice and detailed, considering that this is actually quite not a very bright spot in the house. And next, let's try out playing games. Okay. So performance-wise, it seems pretty smooth, even though this is a cheaper edition of the S20. Even though there's only 8 GB of RAM, I think this one would still be able to play some of the high-intensive mobile games on. Yeah, it looks pretty smooth. Considering that this is an open world. Not bad, not bad. Very responsive. Let's just double check and let's check the CPU. This is actually the Qualcomm 865. So it's definitely not Exynos. Now at least you're paying a good price for a good processor chip. So I hope you liked today's quick unboxing. If you like this video, remember to give us a thumbs up and share it with your friends. And if you have any questions for us, please leave it down in the comment section below. That's it. Bye!